Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Instagram app on your Android phone. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes, write comments, and let's get down to the topic. So friends, in order to install the Instagram app on absolutely any Android phone, you'll first need to open the app that's 100% on your phone. It's called the Play Store. After that, up here at the top, type in the word Instagram. Go to it. And then open that app and you'll see under the Instagram icon here the word install. Click on it and you'll immediately see the installation process of this app start. In terms of time, it will take no more than 1-2 minutes. This installation is very fast. And there will also be this kind of percentage scale here. And you'll be able to see how much percentage is left to fully download the app. Then you can easily open the app from the Play Store, or you can find it on your Android screen and open it there. With this simple and quick method, friends, you will be able to install the Instagram app on absolutely any Android phone. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.